myself, the Honorable Member of Parliament for Assin North, and other leaders of the party at the national and regional level. Our national organizer is also here to ensure that everything is done in accordance with law. And we are all here because we don't trust the registry of this course. We all know how unprofessionally they have conducted themselves in the course of this matter, right from the outset, even when we sought to file processes to challenge an order for an injunction which had been granted by this court as far back as 6th January 2021, till the shameful, up to the shameful conduct they put up on the morning of the day the judgment was delivered. Clearly, you can see that there are politicians occupying offices here as judicial officers who are hell-bent on working with the incumbent MPP to frustrate the legal team of the Assin of MP and to tilt the case in their favor. And so the leadership of the party had to come here to ensure that nothing untoward will be done in the filing process. And maybe, I'm sure you'll be asking what the grounds of this notice of appeal which has been filed are grounds. And when the document comes up, or when you intercept the document, I'm sure you will see. But in summary, we are saying that the decision was a travesty of justice and should be overturned by the Court of Appeal because, number one, the trial judge lacked jurisdiction to determine the matter. The matter borders on the interpretation of the Constitution. Rival meanings were put on the meaning of Article 94(2)(a), which was at the heart of this case. And per the laws of this country, the High Court judge was bound to refer the matter to the Supreme Court to interpret same, because such issues fall within their exclusive jurisdiction under Article 130 of the 1992 Constitution. Secondly, we are saying that the trial court had no authority to determine this matter on the basis of foreign law without trial, without calling evidence. It was wrong for him to have resorted to Wikipedia and to information contained on the so-called renunciation certificate, or a renunciation certificate, to determine foreign law. Because per Section 1(2) of the Evidence Act, foreign law is a matter of fact, and the Supreme Court has said that foreign law can only be determined at trial by adducing evidence, preferably through expert witnesses, and that was not done in this case. You realize that this matter was hurriedly conducted and concluded on the basis of pleadings or adduction of evidence and so on, and we think that is against the Evidence Act and the laws of this country. Apart from that, there is the issue of the decision being in violation of certain laws and certain decisions of the Supreme Court. That is what the lawyers call per incuriam. When a judge decides a matter in flagrant disregard for law or binding decisions of superior courts, that decision is per incuriam. So we are saying that the decision violates Section 21D of the Representation of the People Law, PNDC Law 284, which says that qualification must be as at a time of election and not nomination. Again, it violates the Supreme Court decision in the case of S Party, Electoral Commission, Pakwesi Indium, interested party, which says that nomination period is different from nomination days. And so the nomination period is not just the period between when forms are picked and submitted, but the nomination period goes beyond the nomination days, which is the period where forms are picked and submitted, and includes the period that the EC as an administrative body will use to assess the nomination form submitted, vet the information on same, offer opportunity for a candidate to correct, amend, or even hear and determine petitions that are challenging that nomination.
Of our MP to the constituency to engage with the party at the constituency level, and some of our regional executives are already there, and to assure them of the unflinching support of the party behind the MP, and to also remind them that the decision that they took in electing Honorable Assin as their Member of Parliament, of which our follow-up and monitoring indicates that the past 6 months that he has been in Parliament is live up to expectation, and the people are very happy about the work that he has done so far. And to go and assure them that together with the constituents and those who voted for him, we will move support him to ensure that justice is not denied the people and that the vote and the confidence that they repose in him will not be dashed by anybody through any machination. So we are going there, and the party wants to send a very clear signal that both legally and politically will fight this battle to its logical conclusion. Thank you very much.
Thank you.